Yo, bro, come over here, come over here. Check out my new shoes. They're the brand new
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks.
Oh, that is so fire!
The cheese tax, the cheese tax.
I swiped my debit card, the cashier told me that it was declined. That made me cry.
I was washing my face, I breathed the bubbles on my nose holes, and it felt like it went into my brain, and it burned.
Everyone says all I do is play. I say all I do is
Play!
Can we skip to the good part?
It doesn't really work that way.
What do you mean? I did the thing with the hand.
Yeah, no, that's not actually real. It's not?
1, 2, 3, let's go! Big stretch, you gotta say big stretch. Every time I do a big stretch, you know that's the rules. When a puppy walk is about to go down, big stretch. Oh yeah! I do a big stretch, go low to the ground, big stretch. But if the human doesn't say it out loud, big stretch, then puppy law states that big stretch doesn't count. Big stretch, you gotta say big stretch. Every time I do a big stretch, you know that's the rules.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I am the problem, it's me.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Daisy.
Daisy who?
They see me rolling.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
I'm just really happy. Why? Because I'm on my walk. It's so much fun. I haven't done this in a long time.
Done what?
Taking my walk.
You mean like since last night?
Well, yeah, but this one's totally different.
How?
I don't know. The air's crispy. I'm having a good time.
All right, bud.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty.
Why you gotta be so cute? Don't you know I can't resist you?
Are you crying? Are you crying? Are you crying? There's no crying. There's no crying in baseball.
Where? Where? Where, Dwight?
Seems like you already know where.
Put me in cold. Right here is my favorite thing ever in the history of forever. I think about this every day. I think about this all night long. I stay awake, not sleeping, because I'm thinking about this.
Be honest, what do you do on Friday nights?
Shake, 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 shake.